Welcome back to Chaleese Bakes Cakes. I'm so excited you guys are here today because this cake that I made is one of my favorite cakes of Halloween. All the cakes that I've made, it is super fun and it's one of my favorites. It's a surprise striped spiderweb cake. Lots of different techniques are in this video as you watch it. I'm not going to be talking through this one as much. I'm just going to have you just watch the techniques. I will, however, in later videos be addressing all of those different techniques one-on-one so that you guys can do it at home. But for today, I'll give you a few tips, what I used for some of the techniques. We gotta make our stripes. So I use my Bengal stripe 1/2-inch comb. I really like stainless steel ones because you can get them warm. You run them under hot water and then it helps with your striping and having it more clean and precise. Also, we need marshmallows because we are going to make a marshmallow spiderweb and we're gonna wrap it around the cake. So for this technique, you just need to warm up your marshmallows for about a minute and they'll be ooey and really gooey. You can use gloves. I know a lot of people choose to use gloves. I didn't in this video, but it was super fun. Don't be afraid to get messy and there's no right or wrong way to do the spiderweb. So, like I said, I'll be addressing all of these techniques one-on-one as we go along in our videos. And today, just watch and have fun and see this super fun surprise cake come to life. The middle of the cake is my favorite. You'll see why it's called a surprise cake. It's super fun. Chaleese Bakes Cakes today. I hope you guys had as much fun watching that cake come together as I did making it. It's one of my favorites. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure to push on that subscribe button so that you can have my tips and tricks at your fingertips and you won't miss a video. Also, I'm on Instagram at Chaleese Bakes Cakes. Follow me there and have a